Hello, and welcome to this episode of It's Nebraska, and it's windy, also known as Retro Recycling Art Class. What is this thing? So, in our retro recycling classes, we usually take something that was meant for one purpose and we turn it into art. But sometimes we get donations of giant, flat things that it's the material the pool noodles are made out of. So I guess we're gonna have to do something with it. But what? Well, my first order of business is to make this into smaller pieces, something that's more manageable. And in order to do that, I have a thing. Don't try this at home. Oh wait, do try this at home. So this random thing works quite well actually. And so I was able to chop off a piece. And now what are we gonna do with it? It's a mystery, right? Because what can we do with this thing? Welcome to this episode of Let's Wear Funny Things on Our Head. Okay, so what did I do with that thing? I turned it into a circle. It works. We'll do something with it. I also ordered ping pong balls and some fabric tulle ribbon in various colors that are kind of fall-like. So just don't do it. Okay, so your first order of business is to move to a state where your eyes won't keep blowing away. Second order of business, take your foam wreath form that we made out of that mysterious black foam thing and cut the tulle ribbon that we've sent in 3 different colors. Cut those into strips approximately 18 inches long and then tuck those in there so they won't blow away. You will fold it in half and leave part of it open a little bit. Take your wreath form, and this one is just for practice. It's a little bit bigger than the one that we'll be using. But take the open end on one side, take the 2 open ends, and you will pull them around in what is known as a lark's head knot. Even though we're working on a turkey, it's not a turkey's head knot, it's a lark's head. And you will continue to do that with all of the 18-inch long pieces, varying the color as you go around. And here we'll see on the partially finished wreath here at the half-done wreath form that I have here. And you'll see all of the little lark's head knots. They were a little bit loose, so I decided to start at one end and then tie the loose ends, like the yellow to the orange to the red, just to give it a little bit of strength. And the next order of business, around the bottom of your turkey, just take the brown yarn and keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you have finished all the way to wherever your feathers start. You'll notice some mysterious colored fabric in your take and make kit. And what these are is you'll take the yellow and wrap it around for the beak. And you'll glue that. And then the red you will cut. Oh no, one of my eyes blew away. I knew it would happen. You will take the red that you have and you will cut that as a snood. The snood is the part that goes over the beak. If you wish, you can also cut a wattle. The wattle is the part that goes from the beak down the neck. And then you will also have the eyes to glue onto the ping pong balls for the pupils. And I'm going to go find that other eye before it gets too far away. And as everything blows away, there you have it. For those of us who are non-cooks, we can actually say that this Thanksgiving we made turkey. Let's talk turkey. Turkey anatomy. Okay. The snood goes over the beak. The wattle is under the chin. And all of those little bits are made up of caruncles. Isn't it fun to say? Scientists are awesome. They come up with all sorts of weird words. And turkeys actually have 18 tail feathers. Please don't count mine. I needed a little bit more to fill in some space, so he has 21. Sorry. This turkey talk made me really hungry. Don't tell him what we eat for Thanksgiving. Okay, take a closer look at the finished project here. So this is what you do with the yellow piece for the beak and the snood and the eyes. And of course the tail feathers tied on with the lark's head knot and then tied together. And then the brown yarn just wrapped around. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone!